Want to use Photoshop without paying for it? In this video, I'll show you how to get a Photoshop-like experience completely free. It works on both Mac and Windows, it's 100% legal, and best of all, you don't even need to download anything. Let's jump right in. First, grab your computer and open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, or Edge will all work just fine. In the search bar, type photopea.com and press enter. This takes you straight to Photopea's homepage. Click on Start Using Photopea, and you're ready to go. Photopea is a powerful online photo editor designed to look and feel almost identical to Adobe Photoshop. It supports PSD files and many other formats, so you can open your existing projects or start fresh. Let me give you a quick demo. I'll click New Project. From here, you can set your own dimensions, adjust settings, or choose from ready-made presets. For example, I'll select YouTube thumbnail and click Create, and just like that, we've got a blank canvas. On the left, you'll see familiar tools like the brush, lasso, and text tool. Across the top, you'll find menus such as File, Edit, and Image, just like in Photoshop. It's basically Photoshop right inside your browser. Now, you might be wondering, is this really legal? The answer is yes. Photopea was built independently, it's not owned by Adobe, and it's supported through ads. That means you can use it completely free without breaking any rules. You will notice some ads on the side, but they're not too distracting. If you prefer an ad-free experience, you can use an ad blocker or browse with something like the Brave browser. And that's it. With Photopea, you can edit photos, create designs, and even work with PSD files, all without paying a cent for Photoshop. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.